Okay, so this is where we left off last time, and in this video I'm going to be introducing some more HTML tags and how to create a CSS file and link it within the head right here. So let's keep the first heading and say you want to add a link. Just put A, and you reference it with href. Reference it to Google. Right, let's put Google. Close that. Save. So let's run that. Let's see if that worked out. There we go. Happy days. And okay, so let's say we want to put that into a list. Let's say a bullet pointed list. We'd say UL for unordered list. So we put that in there. Let's say we make another one for Facebook. Okay, so see how that worked out. Oh right, yeah, I forgot. So you're supposed to, with these you have to make them a list object, so just put ally like that and then close it off afterwards. There we go. And if you wanted numbered instead, you'd make it an ordered list, so OL instead. Keep the list tags. Okay, there you go. So if you wanted to make it, say, a button, you just call button. Close it off inside the link tags. There we go. Works as intended. I'm not going to show you my Facebook. So let's say after this we want to put an image. Just do img. And then it asks you for a source and alternative name, so we'll just put image. Don't need to put that, that could be whatever you want. And then, so let's go take an image of Google. Let's say we use these flamingos. Save image. Now we've got to be in the same directory, unless you, like, say if there was another folder in here called images, then you just put images / whatever the name of the image was. So we're going to put flamingo. New, because source is going to be flamingo.html. No, JPEG. Okay, there we go. Got a picture of a flamingo. Great. Okay, so think, well, you can do a couple of stuff with that knowledge. So we're just going to move on to CSS right now. Okay, so we're going to create a new file. We're going to call it style. CSS got to be in the same place as your HTML file. Open it up. Okay, so say we wanted to change the color of the heading, H1. We just write H1, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and inside there we put color, say blue, with semicolon afterwards. Oh yeah, and we gotta link it into the HTML file. So go into the head, and then you write a link tag with yeah, as you can see, it specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked document. So in this case, it's going to be a style sheet. Then you also need a type, and we're going to put text / CSS, and then you're going to reference it like you did with the image tag, and it's going to be style.css. Close link. Okay, save. There you go. That's blue. You can also, I'll use another tag I can show you. You can make, say, the text on the button bold with a B. Close it off afterwards. Save. There you go. That's the one that's bold, that one's not. So, okay, so other things you can do in style CSS. Say if you wanted all writing on the page to be blue, you put an asterisk with one curly bracket again. Let's just say color, yeah, we'll just say color blue. There you go. Now all this is blue, so I'll see. So, right, see, if you wanted background color to be green, let's do that, save. Now it's green behind there, or you could do all background color, say pink. There we go. So I think that's enough really for today. Like in the next video I'm gonna be covering a lot more CSS, maybe a few more HTML tags, and introduction to JavaScript too. Not much, just a little bit into it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time.